Hi kids, how are you? Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn ABC and 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's learn some colors. These are all our color pencils. Let's learn the names. Light pink color, yellow color, red color, black color, pink color, violet color, green color, blue color, orange color, green color and sky blue color. Let's draw alphabets and 1, 2, 3. A for apple. APPLE. B for ball. C for cat. 1 ONE 1. 2 TWO 2. 3 THRE 3. Okay. Let's draw violet color. A for apple. 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 Pink color. B for ball. 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 Yellow color. C for cat. 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 Red color. 1 ONE 1. Blue color. 2 TWO 2. Light green color. 3 THREE 3. Once again learning alphabets and numbers. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. 1 ONE 1. TWO 2. THREE 3. Okay, bye kids.